So I needed a severe table upgrade. So with a little bit of crab line, a couple brass cleats, wood cutting board, a tiny drill bit with a rubber band wrapped around it, and some screws, I made myself a table. Thing's awesome. And it stows away very easily.